Story of my life.
Hey guys, we're moving to America and this is our progress.
Hi guys, so today we are emptying out the big furniture, putting it all on the bed because it's gonna go. I have decided to keep the closet now in Rafael's bedroom, the wire hanger, and get rid of this, so I have to take these and hang them up there. But everything is out of the dressers and I have washed all the drawers out, so it should be good. So this is what we have decided to keep for now. It's got 2 hangers, 1 on each side, so we're gonna have all 3 of our clothes, Rafael, me, and Hadar. Okay, this is what I'm going to work on right now. I have to empty this out, throw away and give away most of the clothes for Abigail. She has grown out of most of her clothes, but she has a lot of clothes waiting for her in America. A lot of this stuff we're taking with us, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack it in the suitcases. And right now I'm also going to work on this mountain of clothes and material to make sure that all of it is good enough to give away. And this is all the clothes that do not fit me, but I also have a lot of brand new material in there, indoor outdoor material. So all of that has to go. Okay, I was just sorting out by type. This is the pants, some shirts. So much dust. This is like a bed skirt. They don't use these here because most people don't use what do you call the thing that goes on a box spring. So there's material. This is the indoor outdoor material, brand new. Lots of curtains, lots of sets of curtains. A box of shirts, a box of skirts, swimsuits, and jackets. Yeah, got some man's clothes right there. Okay, got all the clothes, the material, all the office stuff, all that backed up. Got the Dyson ready to go. There's the office stuff. Breakables right down there with the printer. And shelves and things back there. Still have to wash that. Alright, I cleaned that out. She has 1 little box of clothes left. These are clothes that I am soon to be fitting into, mostly underwear and bras. And Hadar has unstrapped this from the wall. He already took the one office thing out. So he's taken this out and this out. So again, I want to take pictures, so hopefully I will be able to take them.
That's a lot of stuff, Mommy.
Yeah, it is.
Grandma, Grandpa needs to come back.
That's right. Okay, they're going to come later. We are going to go out and eat with them and spend some time with them out to a restaurant that we have here in Beersheba, and then they're going to come get the stuff and leave. We didn't want to do a whole big thing here because we're working with nothing.
This. Did you get it on film?
Yeah.
Oh, because this is why you don't.
Yes.
You don't let kids hang on it, and this is why you have to strap it.
Strap it to the wall.
To the wall.
Definitely. That one especially, the mound.
Thanks for the rest.
Yeah, because it has no weight to it, and
It'll just fall over on them.
Drawers, so you get 1 drawer out, and that's it.
Yep. And it can fall over on them, so please strap it to the wall. I have it.
Today and yesterday.
What, honey?
Today and yesterday until Purim.
Well, this is the weekend after Purim,
Yeah.
like the weekend of. So it lasts for like a week. And now this is the end of the week.
Wait. Yeah, for me, it's chicken Let's drink around.
So you cut her and you have to. Yeah.
Do you have this back on 60p?
Do you know that no, I don't. Do you know that there's a flavor
playroom.
I didn't know that.
Daddy, can I go there?
Oh, we're gonna eat now. Look, there's
After eating?
food.
These chicken nuggets. They have Rice Krispies and sesame seeds on them. And they're actually really, really good. We get Eliana today because she just had a baby sister. And we don't know the name yet because they haven't named her yet. Haven't decided. Look at this. Nice. This looks really good. You know what? Grandma got entrecote sandwich. We didn't order that before.
That's America.
This America.
No, these are the real things. That's America.
See what it should suspect. Thank you.
למה פרידה?
Abigail's visiting Grandma. Rafael's really enjoying the soccer game.
3 for the brown team. 1 for the white team.
Yeah.
Bye. It's raining now.
It's starting to rain. It's not good. Abigail had to take the fries with her. She said, not my fries. I don't want to leave my fries. Yeah. We're going home now. Oh God, I don't even think we have a tarp. Do we have that tarp left?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good. We might have a tarp. It is starting to rain. I don't even know if I can capture this. Let me hold my camera. But there goes a big old load, and our table, tent, everything, all the dressers, everything. And there's a bunch of my stuff over there in the trash. And this is what we have left. Gonna get, this is all gonna go. All this is gonna go. That's gonna go in the trash. Gonna take the legs off of it. All this is gonna go, except they're, you know, they're playing with it right now, but it's gonna go. Gotta take the cat tomorrow.
So these are dablas, and we got those from Grandma. Hold on a minute. Actually, Grandpa's the one who cooked them. Usually the women cook them, but he decided that he wants to help. And you see how it looks like a rose a little bit? Well, it's, what do you call it? You made of what? What do you call it?
Oh,
Dough.
it's like dough and
It's
eggs.
dough that they roll with a thing, and they roll it in the skillet. And as they roll it, it cooks, and they keep rolling it, and then it makes a roll called a dabla. And it's originated from Libya. Tripoli, Libya. So Jews that come from Libya usually are not called Libyan Jews. Usually they're called Tripolitans, like Tripolitans. As you make them, you can bless. So I'll show a video of how that was.
הדבלות של חגית.
So she's gonna have a blessing, and she's gonna roll a blessing for the new baby girl. Every roll is a roll of health, love, happiness, success, lots of creativity, and a big sister, loving sister. Blessing for the parents, for daddy and mommy, and with God's help, a house, and all the blessings that you can put in a roll of debla. Not tabla, like I said before. Debla. Yeah, debla. A very spiritual food. right?
Zebra.
You're gonna remember that one, aren't you? You're gonna have to make it when we get to the States.
Oh, and what's this?
What is it that you say to me when I get real close to your face?
Oh, you don't even know how close I am to your face. No,
Anyway.
this is the intimate.
This smells
Here.
so... Did you hear my knee pop? This smells so gluey. So, these are for men. Nose strips for men. So I'm using it. And Hadar is going to use it. And as you know, if you followed us for the last 5.5, 6 years, Hadar cries every time I put one of these on him. Actually, let me take that back. Hadar cries every time I rip one of them off. Ooh, there's so much glue on. It smells just like Elmer's glue.
Oh yeah, okay, have it good.
Like he's having issues with me just putting it on right now, I can tell. He's really gonna cry. If I were blind, I would have no idea what your face looks like. I don't know how they do that. You just look like you have a nose, I don't know. Okay, I can't imagine your face with my fingers. Okay.
Come here.
Silky smell. Oh, we're Michael Jackson.
That's not nice. You don't speak ill of the dead. Except he might have
I'm beautiful.
done some bad things, but yeah.
Yeah, I'm beautiful. I don't want to move too much.
Good night.
Good night. He doesn't want you to see him cry, so we'll see you tomorrow. The assumptions tag.
I assume that Rafael had crippling OCD.
What I have had my whole life.
Got diagnosed.
Yeah. Also a normal person while I'm dieting.
I assume you feel uncomfortable around Hadar's family. And that he knows some Spanish. Greetings from Buenos Aires, Argentina. Can't see what I'm reading.